get some Blazers. All right, let's do it. Let's go. I'm gonna wait for a couple people and then we'll get going. Let's check out what these boxes, what they got. Excited for the new. What's going on? Is it Philip? We're gonna check out what these boxes have. We got 2 of them, hobbies. Let's get a galactic. Let's get some autographs, some parallels. Let's go, man. Good luck. Ultra Rare Galactic Parallels. Let's see if we get one of those. We got Grooves, Factro, Cosmos, Sunburst. We got a bunch of stuff. So let me go ahead and get started. I know this is going to be recorded on my Facebook page, and then you can watch it tonight at the YouTube. So let's go ahead and get started. Good luck, everybody. Let's open the box. All right. Man, this is pretty sealed pretty good. This is like new plastic or something. All right, let's get started. All right, here we go. Surprised LaMelo's not on the front. All right. Cool. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. We got 8 packs and how many cards? Should say right here. All right, we got 8 packs. Let's go. Good luck, everybody. Let's see what these rookies are about here. All right, let's go. We got first, let's start out with Klay Thompson. We got Buddy Hield. We got Joe Embiid. Let me see if this is numbered. Not numbered. We got Daniel Uturo for the Clippers. Nice rookie hit right there. And then below that, we got a Rookie Revolution, Alexei Pakuski. I'm going to butcher some of these, all right? But pretty nice cards. None of them are numbered. Ooh, ouch. All right. Let me sleeve these up. This goes to the Thunder. We got a... All righty. Let's keep it going. All right. All right, boom, John Morant. There you go. Second year card's always nice. Karl Anthony Towns. We got a Bam Adebayo. And below that, oh, for the Clippers, what is this right here? Clippers are hitting. We got Kawhi Leonard, liftoff. Let me grab that before it drops. Revolution, nice looking card. And below that for the Cavs, we got a Isaac Okoro, nice card. All righty. Pretty good looking cards. Pretty good looking cards so far. Let me sleeve some of these up. Liftoff is nice, not numbered. We need to get some numbered cards though. All right, let me just... What are you guys looking to see, man? What are you guys looking for? Let me know. Who are we hunting for? Who are we hunting for? Obviously, the big rookies. Got a John Morant, second year. All righty, let's go. Hopefully we get a good signature or something. We got Jarrett Culver. We got Pascal Siakam. We got a James Harden. Trae Young, nice card. Good looking card. And in the back, we got for the Jazz, a Vortex, a Rudy Gobert. Nice. Let's see if it's numbered. None of these are numbered, really. Nice hit, Jazz. Nice Vortex. Nice Trey Young. Good looking card. Alrighty. All right, let's heat up. We still need a big rookie. Where are the rookies at? We got DeJounte Murray. He got cross-batted by Luka the other day. We got Jason Tatum. Nice card. We got Devontae Graham. They're balling right now. And a Revolution of Colin Sexton. Nice card. And our Jazz, Oduka Asubuiki. Nice looking cards. Man, where's our rookies at? We got to get these rookies. The Jazz got some rookies. Let's get some rookies out. LaMelo, where you at? Halliburton, where you at? We got Paul George, LaMarcus Aldridge. We got a Jaren Jackson. We got a DeAndre Ayton. And a Vortex Jimmy Butler for the Heat. All right. Come on, let's heat up here. All righty. Let me cut this up. Come on, let's go. We got to heat up, man. We got to heat up. Something big coming. Something's big coming. Something big is coming for sure. We got DeMar DeRozan. We got Damian Lillard. We got Alfred Payton for the Knicks. They're balling. We got Cassius Stanley rookie card for the Pacers. And for Boston, we got a Revolution, Aaron Nesmith. All righty. Come on, Rooks. Come out. Let's go. We got Draymond Green. Oh, I see a signature. All right, here goes the signature. It's coming up. We got John Collins. All right, let's look at this signature. Who is it? Autograph for the Grizzlies. Ah, damn. Jason Williams. Imagine that was a John Morant. Jason Williams. White chocolate. Nice looking card for the Memphis. I don't know if you wanted that Memphis, but Drew Holiday. And R.J. Barrett for the Knicks. Shockwave. Nice card. Man, I didn't think I was going to see Jason Williams. You'd be surprised who you see, huh? It's a nice R.J. Barrett, second year. We need some Zion, too. If you don't have Jason Williams card autograph, well, now you do. All right, come on, Hobby Box. We got Blake Griffin. We got Lauri Markkanen. We got a R.J. Barrett, another one for the Knicks. For the Wizards, we got a Revolution. For the Rockets, Russell Westbrook. And for the Miami Heat, we got a Precious Achiuwa. Come on, man. We got shut out, man, with the main rookies on this one. Good thing it's not only one box. We got to make it up for the next box. We got some making up to do. Come on, we need a big rookie. That box was kind of not that good, to be honest. But let's see if we could do better now with this one. Because we need to do better. Come on, let's heat up. Cut this up. Alrighty. Alrighty. We got Domantas Sabonis. We got a Carmelo Anthony. We got a Bradley Beal. And for the Pistons, we got something. We got a Killian Hayes. Nice hit, Pistons. Pretty good hit. And for the Mavs, we got a Josh Green. All right. Oh, this one's numbered to 177 and 149, that Pistons card. All right. It's a good Piston hit. Nice hit. All right, let's go. Keep it going. Come on, LaMelo. We need our big rookie still. D'Angelo Russell. We got Giannis. We got a Kawhi Leonard. We got a Russell Westbrook. Another one. Come on, man. We ain't trying to see that. In the back, we got a Ben Simmons Vortex. Not numbered. For the Philadelphia. Nice looking cards. I don't know why we got a lot of Westbrook coming out. He should be on the Wizards, but jersey by now. But he's not. Some of these are a little hard to break. Alrighty. We got Andre Drummond. See if he gets a buyout. We got Kyle Kuzma. We got Tim Hardaway. Where's Luka at? Ooh, for the Bucks, we got a Revolution Shockwave. Nice looking card. And in the back, man, why didn't it keep making me turn? We got a rookie, Xavier Tillman. Nice Shockwave. It's a nice hit for Giannis. I'm not sure if he's going to win MVP again. I mean, he can, but I'm not sure if he's going to. He definitely has the same number as in bleed. So we'll see. I don't know if anybody got 3 MVPs in a row. But if he turns it up, I wouldn't question it. We got Brooke Lopez. We got Kelly Oubre Jr. We got a Chris Middleton. We got a Lou Williams. And a Donovan Mitchell Shockwave. Nice card, Jazz. Jazz are hitting. All right. Four more packs. We got to heat up, man. We got to heat up. Let's go. Terry Rozier, we're going to hit something. Don't worry. We got Eric Gordon. We got Markelle Fultz. We got an Eric Gordon. Boom! There he is. There he is. Let's go. We got you one, man. Nice looking card. Let's go. There's LaMelo, man. There you go. Good thing, man. Good thing we got 2 boxes, because if we would have had one, not good, man. First hit, let's go. Now we need Halliburton. Let's go. I know. We were waiting for him, huh? That's worth it right there. That's worth it right there. Let's go. Too bad it wasn't anything crazy at Galactic. And, all right, we starting off. Let's get these other rookies now. Jason Valanciunas. We got a Kevin Love. We got Steven Adams. We got James Wiseman. There we go, Warriors. Nice card. Time to heat up. And the James Harden Shockwave. Nice looking card. I think he's still in a Rockets uniform. There we go. We got two or top 3. Let me sleeve this up. There we go. Now we need the Timberwolves. Nice card. All right, let's put them up. We got our rookies too. We need Edwards now. Halliburton. Come on, let's go. That's what we're looking for now. That was a nice Wiseman though. He'll step it up though, man. He needs some time to develop, but he'll step it up. All right, 2 more packs. Let's go. We got DeAndre Ayton. We got Drew Holiday. We got Caris LeVert. Is that how you spell it? Huh. We got a rookie for the Atlanta, Onyeka Okongwu. Nice hit for Atlanta. And then, bam, Obi Toppin. Nice cards. Good rookies. Now we starting to hit these rookies. Come on. For the Knicks, nice looking card. All righty. There you go, Knicks. And then Miami, you got one. Nice rookie right there. All righty. Now we need Edwards, man. We can get Edwards. We're good. Halliburton, where you guys at? Last pack, guys. Good luck. Good luck. We got Jaylen Brown. We got a Chris Paul. Well, here we go. We got a signature. I think it's a signature. Boom. Killian Hayes. Is that a signature? Boom. Nice looking card for the Pistons. There you go, Pistons. Pistons rocked it right today. Then we got a Norman Powell. And the last card for the night, Tyrese Halliburton. There you go, Kings. You were sweating it. I know you were. Man, no Edwards. But we got you a Halliburton, man. I know you were sweating that one. I try to get everybody, man. I try to get everybody. But you know how these things go. We can't get everybody. We try, but we can't. But that was a lot better box than the other one. But we made it up. We got some good cards. Let me go through the main hits, and we're done for today. Thank you guys for joining. Let me pull these up. So we're missing a couple rookies, but we got a lot of them. I wish we can get all of them, but you know how these things work. We got Shockwave Giannis. We got a Onyeka Okongwu for the Atlanta Hawks. We got a Killian Hayes rookie card. That's numbered to 149. We got a Jason Williams. We got a Shockwave Revolution, RJ Barrett. We got a nice Trae Young. We got a Daniel Oturu for the Clippers. We got Isaac Okoro. We got a Liftoff, nice looking card. This is a Fractal. Then our signature was William Hayes. Good 2 cards by him. Obi Toppin. We got LaMelo. We got Tyrese Halliburton, Revolution, Rookie Revolution. And then we got a James Wiseman. Thank you guys for joining. You guys take care. Have a good night. Bye.